Hi, I'm Terry, and this is Ask Mr. Locksmith. And the question is, do you think keys will become obsolete? Okay, I've been in the business a long time. I was told 25 years ago, we will no longer have keys. Everything's going to be, remote or chips in our skin and numbers and everything. And we're seeing more and more of the electronic locks, keyless locks. But what I'm finding now is a lot of the electronic locks are not as they're not as secure as a good deadbolt with a key, a proper deadbolt with a proper key. When you get into high security situations or situations where you want to keep people out, your best thing is still a deadbolt with a key. Like the Medico high securities, the Abloy high securities. There's a bunch of UL graded Underwriters laboratory graded as pick resistant, heavy duty, can withstand break-ins. So are keys obsolete? No, I don't see keys obsolete in the near future at all. But I am seeing more and more keyless locks, electronic locks, and there's some good ones out there. But for the same money as an electronic lock, you put that money into a good heavy duty, high security deadbolt, the deadbolt's more secure. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a comment, if you have a question, just put it in the comments, and I'll try to answer the comments in future videos. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.